Whenever your hardware is ready to mine, you have to set up a wallet. The next step is choosing a pool to mine on, in order to observe their earnings. The pool monitoring feature works with the pool's read-only watcher that you get from your pool. In this video, I will show examples of connecting the most popular pools. On the dashboard page, scroll down to the pool section. There is a list of supported pools. Click on the Configure Pool button. For Viabtc pool, first you'll need to log into your Viabtc account. Please go to the setting in your Viabtc account. Then, under Account Management section, click on Shared Account. And in Below section, click on Create Watcher button. Then, copy the created watcher link. Once you click Create, you will be given a new watcher link. Copy it and paste it into a watcher link field in Mineitor. Poolin. Log into your Poolin account from the dashboard. On the left side, click Sub-Account Management. On the next page, click on Sub-Account, then Setting. On the right side of the corresponding sub-account, then click on the watcher. From there, you will need to create a new watcher link. Enter a name for your watcher. For example, Mineitor. Check the worker and earning checkboxes and click on Create button. Then copy the created watcher link. Once you create, you will be given a new watcher link. Copy it and paste it into a watcher link field in Mineitor. F2 Pool. Log into your F2 Pool account. Go to the Account Setting page. Click on Read Only Page button in front of your account name. Enter a name and click on Generate button. Check Workers and Revenue Record checkboxes and click on Generate button. Then copy the created link at the bottom and paste it into a watcher link field in Mineitor. SlushPool. Log into your SlushPool account, go to your account setting page. Under Access Profiles, click on Create New button in bottom of the page. Enter a name in Profile Name field and set access permission to Read Only. Then check Allow Access to Web APIs option and click on Generate New Token button. Copy the generated token and click on Save button. Paste the copied generated token into a watcher link field in Mineitor. You can also see your miner's profit and your pool balance by adding your pool to your dashboard. If you had any question or problem, feel free to create a ticket from your dashboard or talk to us using website live chat service.